window buck taken from an 1870s log house. How this system worked was this would be the buck along the side of a window, and then these pegs were driven through the buck and into the end of the log. You can see some of the holes that were left behind from the buck that was in this log house. These were bigger pegs from a different log house, but the same idea. So it would have been a round hole and then a square peg driven through, and it would have tied all the individual log ends together, giving it shear support. Also makes a really nice coat hanger.